What if I told you your engine might be screaming for help right now, and you don't even know it? Over 60% of drivers miss the early warning signs of engine failure until it's too late and they're stranded with a dead car and a $4,000 repair bill. Let's make sure that's not you. In this video, I'll show you 4 warning signs your engine could be in serious trouble. Catching them early could save you thousands and spare you a whole lot of stress. Let's pop the hood and take control. Flexed biceps wrench number 1 cylinder misfire, code P0301, P0304. Ever felt your car jerk or vibrate out of nowhere? That stumbling could mean a cylinder misfire, and it's one of the most dangerous signs you can't afford to ignore. A misfire throws off the combustion process, killing fuel economy and slowly wrecking your engine from the inside out. The check engine light might flash with codes like P0301. But here's the twist. The cause could be as minor as a spark plug, or as major as a leaking head gasket. Cliffhanger: ignore it too long, and you could end up frying your catalytic converter, a repair that can cost over $2,000. Faced with medical mask number 2 rotten egg smell, code P0420, notice a nasty sulfur smell from the exhaust? That's your catalytic converter crying for help. But wait, don't just replace it yet. The real culprit might be an oxygen sensor, fuel mixture problem, or even an exhaust leak. If you jump to conclusions, you'll waste money and miss the real fix. Remember, replacing parts blindly is like putting a band-aid on a broken bone. Stop sign number 3 smelling gas, but no leak? Code P0446. Ever walked by your car and caught a whiff of gasoline with no visible leak? That's likely a fault in the evaporative emissions system. Start simple. Check your gas cap. A loose or cracked one is a silent troublemaker, but it could also be a stuck solenoid or cracked vacuum hose. Left alone, it can cause you to fail emissions and waste money on fuel. It's like your car is leaking money without a puddle to show for it. Gear number 4 transmission acting up, code P0700, hard shifts, slipping gears. Your transmission control system might be failing. It could be low fluid or a failing control module. Either way, don't wait. Transmission damage is one of the priciest repairs out there. Start by checking your fluid, then get a scan to avoid a full-blown transmission replacement. Now you know the signs, but knowledge only saves money if you use it. If your car shows any of these symptoms, don't wait. Run a scan, inspect the basics, and fix what you can before it turns into a wallet-draining disaster. Want more tips like this to protect your car and your money? Hit that subscribe button and join thousands of smart drivers who are taking control of their car's health and their financial future. Electric light bulb banknote with $sign. This is Auto Repair. Automobile Wrench, where DIY meets financial freedom.